Welcome my people, me there again, big up respect and manners to each and every one. Alright my people, so I have some information to give to you my viewers and subscribers, and these information are based on news articles that I read and at least one news report that I saw. But before I get started, viewers and subscribers, I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. Someone brought this whole situation to my attention, viewers and subscribers. See? Alright, so I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that a female was stabbed to death and a man who she was in a relationship with was found hanging in an abandoned building. According to news articles that I read, it is said that the female was stabbed to death on Sunday. And today is Thursday, the 24th of November, the year 2022, when I'm doing this video. Now, I got the understanding from all those news articles that I read and a news report that I saw that the female was stabbed more than 25 times, viewers and subscribers. Now, the reason why I said it like that is because one news article said that the female had been stabbed more than 30 times. And another news article that I read said that the female had been stabbed about 30 times. The news report gave a different number. So all those information gave me the understanding that the female had been stabbed more than 25 times, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, the female who died is said to be a teacher. It is said that she's in her 20s, viewers and subscribers. The man who died is said to be in his 20s. According to news articles that I read, it is said that police within Guyana said that the female ended an abusive relationship with the man. And the man and the woman who died both have a child together. Now, one news article said that the man and the woman had separated and the woman had sought refuge from the man at her sister's residence at a certain location within the country of Guyana. And that's the same place where the stabbing incident occurred, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that they had an physical altercation which resulted in them breaking up or separating. So it is said that police somehow got involved. And then afterward, she and her child moved to her sister's residence. Yes, I say my people, I just get the information them as me get them. And I say these things. So it is said that while they were at the sister's residence, the suspect showed up as if he wanted to spend some time with his child. Now, viewers and subscribers, you ever hear a thing where them say, if you did know? Yeah, one thing when they say if you did know, because in my point of view, if the sister and the girl did know, them would have never make him even come close to that place if them can. Yes, I may say. Anyways, so it is said that as he was returning the child to the female who died, the man whipped out a knife and stabbed the woman brutally about her body before making good his escape. Then it is said that sometime after that, he was found hanging in an abandoned building that is located somewhere within the country of Guyana. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly when the man died, viewers and subscribers, but it is said that the body of the man was found hanging in an abandoned building. And it is suspected that he committed suicide. Now, there are pictures posted different places online that shows the female who is said to be the teacher who died and the man who is believed to be the main suspect when it comes on to the female who died, in viewers and subscribers. So this right now is just one big sad situation. Why is it that the heart of some people can be so cruel? It is said that both of those persons are in their 20s. Young people. And both persons died. It is suspected that the man committed suicide. There's not much me can say about this whole situation, my people. But someone brought the situation to my attention. I'm just let you know about it. Tell me what you think, my people. Because this really and truly sounds horrible to me. Next topic. Now, my people, I want to listen to some words that I'm about to read to you from a news article. Because in my point of view, this whole news article is sad, my people. Just listen, see? So listen this. An Algerian court has sentenced 49 people to death after they were found guilty of lynching a man wrongfully suspected of starting forest fires last year. The news article said that this is according to the state news agency. See, the same news article also said that the sentences are likely to be reduced, maybe dropped to life in prison and so forth. But listen carefully, my people, because the whole thing really sad. Listen this. So it is said that in 2021, Algeria experienced bad fires in the country's history. You see me I say? The news article also said that with multiple blazes killing 90 people. You see? But anyways, listen. So the same news article said that the lynching victim had gone to help fight the fires. Help to fight the fires. Now, my people, this is what really and truly make me feel a way as to what them say happened to that man. So the news article said that after the fires broke out sometime last year, the man tweeted saying he would travel over 320 km bracket 200 miles from his home to give a hand to our friends fighting the blazes in a certain region. So it is said that soon after he arrived, that's the man, locals falsely accused him of starting fires himself. At some point, graphic footage began circulating showing the man being attacked, people tortured and burned him before taking his body to the village square. The understanding that I got is that this man got all time way for help and end up losing life. Wrongfully accused. So the article that I'm looking at said the videos caused nation outrage. You tell me now if that is a sad situation. And then tell me if you think justice in the whole thing, because the news article basically said that 49 people had been sentenced to death. Let me read back that part, my people. So the news article said that an Algerian court has sentenced 49 people to death after they were found guilty of lynching a man wrongfully suspected of starting forest fires last year. See? So based on where me just read from the news article, what you think? Do you think that's justice? The whole thing sad to me. The whole thing sad to my people. Me try to bring information from all about the world. This not normal, my people. Why is it the heart of some people so cruel? I mean, even if somebody do something bad enough, viewers and subscribers, it's best to put it in the hands of the law, the jungle justice thing, as well. Some Jamaicans might call a situation somewhat similar to what we read in the news article there, And one good thing, because here the sentence of the news article said, viewers and subscribers, and this is not the first time I get some information that are somewhat similar to this whole thing. Not exactly the same, but somewhat similar. Yeah, man, and the first time me hear information where somebody even get wrongfully accused of something and people attack the person and all them things that. You see me, I say, trust me, I tell you, it's rough. So yeah, so me I give my best advice, you see it? I know, say, a lot of people within their own country try to pay attention to what go on in them country only. But sometimes it's good to listen what go on outside their country, because believe it or not, certain things that happen outside their country can affect you in your country. Sometimes, not all the time. You know what I mean? But my people, tell me what you think about the situation there. And I think I hear some, I go leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall skilla. Yeah, big up.